Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play Half-Life 2 on Gmod. First, install Half-Life 2 and ensure it is on the same Steam account as Gary's mod so assets can be mounted. Then launch Gmod, open the mount list, and enable Half-Life 2 content. Restart Gmod after mounting to load textures, models, and sounds correctly so maps display as intended. Open Gmod and go to Settings, then the Add-ons or Mounting tab to enable Half-Life 2 content quickly. Toggle the box beside Half-Life 2 and any relevant episodes or DLC you own, then restart Gmod so assets load properly. If maps look broken, check the console for missing textures or model errors and re-enable mounts or verify HL2 files in Steam. Search for Half-Life 2 maps in the Steam Workshop or use Gmod conversions of official maps for reliable gameplay. Subscribe to any required workshop add-ons listed on the maps page so you won't encounter missing content. Use the spawn menu in sandbox or single-player modes to add NPCs, weapons, and props from Half-Life 2 and adjust game settings for difficulty and player limits before starting.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.